Hey guys, my name is Chris from BISH'S RV in Junction City. What a beautiful day to check out this beautiful motorhome that just came in. It's a Thor Aria. It is a 3401 and it is a 2023. So beautiful. I got to tell you, there's lots of storage, everything that you would want in a big luxury motorhome like this. Two things I want to show you real quick on the outside. Right inside of here, you've got this really nice TV, and it has a sound bar. So you have a whole entertainment system outside under the power awning on the campsite of your motorhome, where you can watch movies, you can tailgate and watch the duck game, the beaver game, or whatever game you want. What an awesome thing to have. And this one here, I want to show you, this one is so cool. Look at all this storage space in a rollout tray. So you can easily get to all of your camping equipment and things that you want to take with you and that are important. There's a 8,000 watt generator. And this is just a beautiful diesel pusher. Let's take a look on the inside because I know that's what you really care about. Follow me. So as you see, this is beautiful. All the textiles are gorgeous. The color combinations, it's very light, yet there's contrast. Take a look at this dinette right here. It's really a nice sized. It's got seat belts in it and plenty of room for a larger person like myself to sit here without feeling like you're at Denny's. You've got plenty of room here, cup holders, a great TV that you can watch while you're eating, and then there's a sound bar as well. And this makes into a bed, so you can actually sleep easily 6 adults in this, or a whole bunch of grandkids. Now, take a look right here. Speaking of that, if you press this button, this bed will come down and look at all that. You've got a TV, plenty of extra storage, speakers, and a place where you can sleep a couple people up here very comfortably. People love that. And the nice thing about it is, you know, if you're just you and your partner and you're on the road and there's only the two of you, that's extra storage, or it's just completely out of the way and you don't even have to think about it. Isn't that great? Now, moving right along to the front here, you're going to see really beautiful captain's chairs. Very comfortable, power, multi-positions, armrests, and a beautiful cockpit. Huge window for you to look out at as you're traveling through. You're just in top quality elegance. Now we're going to move right along to here. I think it's very important for people to be comfortable in their motorhome, and in this case you do have really comfortable theater seating. You have drink holders, you've got a little extra storage right here for your bag of chips or your Oreos or whatever you want, and seat belts. So you're safe when you're traveling if you need to be. And you can watch this beautiful TV from this position. And a lot of people really like the fact that they don't have to watch that TV, but they can watch this one straight ahead. And so that's pretty exciting. Anyway, moving right along, let me show you this. Kitchen is just beautiful. Beautiful countertops. You'll notice here there is a double sink. These will extend your countertop and give you cutting boards. And you have a sprayer. This is something that we're seeing a lot more now often, and I really like it. A little extra power strip right there for you. By the way, this does have a 100-watt solar panel up on board. Notice this residential style, beautiful Whirlpool microwave. This is like what you'd see in a high-end home. It is a convection microwave, so it actually roasts. And then right here, this is what people really enjoy, is not having an open flame of a gas stove here. And so what we have here is an induction stove. And this will get water boiling in 60 seconds. There's 2 burners, very easy to use, and boy, you can really cook up a storm with that. No problem whatsoever.
Switch spots.
Now, notice overhead you've got a fantastic fan. So this will get air blowing out or air coming in either way. So if you burn a fish on the stove and you need to defumigate really quick, that will help take care of that for you, which is really great. Love the backsplash in this, the countertops, the accent lighting, so beautiful. I really love great and thoughtful storage, and that's what they gave you in this one. Plenty of space here, and look at these. This is really cool. You pull this out, you got a place for all of your canned goods, all your food, everything that you'd want. This really neat, well thought out pantry. One of the things I also like is that there's a little clasp, so you can close this thing down and you're not going to have any problems with things shifting when you're traveling. We've got a really nice refrigerator here. Plenty of room for food. And let me show you the bathroom. So right here, you've got storage. You've got storage up in the medicine cabinet. There's actually a fair amount of counter space in here, which I think is really great. Some accent lighting and a really nice walk-in shower. This is definitely luxury RVing at its finest. Take a look here. They put all your controls on it looks kind of like an iPad mini, and it's very simple to control everything. Your lights, your energy consumption, your temperature, everything is on here, very easy to use. I love the fact that this is a very sophisticated motorhome with technology that's simple to use. I think that's great. And speaking of that, there is an app, and it's the one app you'll need to RV like a pro, and you can download that as well. Now, moving right along to the bedroom, there is a privacy slider door. Slides back and forth, and take a look at this beautiful bedroom. Big king-size bed. The back tilts up so you can watch TV, read a book, or just be comfortable together. You've got plenty of storage up above. Look at this big closet. Plenty of room with shelving at the top, a drawer down below, place to hang your clothes. And more shelves up here. This is what I'm talking about. Whirlpool washer and dryer stackable right here in your bedroom. You cannot beat that. Take your clothes right out, hang them, put them into the cabinetry here, the drawers. Look at this. Plenty of room back here. Just tons and tons of space. You got 6 big drawers down here and a couple huge shelves. This is also something you could take the shelves out or lower them, and you can put hanging things up here as well. What an amazing coach this is, and how beautiful and luxury and elegant. This is something that I think would make anybody happy to travel all the way across the US and to just sail off into the next 15, 20 years of their life with their family and living it up. I would love to show this to you in person. You can call me on my cell phone or text me anytime. My name is Chris BISH'S. My number is 541-636-7878.